Our environment has many sustainability problems that affect on us and from many things. So we will discuss one of the most important problems, which is plastic waste. Then we will analyze the factors that are leading to from this issue. Also, we will discuss the consequences of plastic waste on the environment, social, and the economy. Plastic waste impacts negatively the environment and it creates problems from wildlife, plants, and human problems, which cause to kill plant life and may endanger the animal's life. Plastic is useful material, but it's made from very toxic that causes diseases. Also has the ability to withstand wear, pressure, or damage, and that means it's not biodegradable. We found a lot of plastic waste near to our house and near to beaches. There are many consequences of a plastic waste and we will divide it on pillars of sustainability, which are the environmental, social and economic. First, from the environmental side, especially on the ground, wind can carry plastic waste or waste around the environment. They can stumble into trees, fences, traffic lights, or other structures. Second, when animals are exposed to these plastic waste, they risk the consumption of toxins or involvement in plastic. Third, air pollution is another issue for humans and animals. When the plastic is burned outdoors, it releases large amount of toxins which pollutes the air. From the economy side, plastics continue to fill the world sea at an astonishing rate, causing significant environmental damage. However, the cost is not only for the nature world, since the economic impact of this man-made impacts is also enormous. Pollution in the sea is mostly plastic and has a terrible impact on marine species. As a result, it can hurt and affect the economy and food supplies of fishing-dependent communities. Statistics showed nearly 10 million to 20 million tons of plastic come in the sea every year, accounting for up to 20% of waste at sea and on beaches. In addition to hurting animals, plants, and people, it costs millions of dollars every year to clean up. Many areas have been a decline in tourism due to the amount of pollution in their environment, which can have a serious impact on the local economy. From the social side, the toxic components that come from the plastic waste can evaporate into the air and people can breathe it. It can be easily absorbed into the skin. Also, it can seep into food or a drink and then be ingested by the human. Breathe near to the plastic waste become burned, opening a new plastic element that smells strong. Put body lotion, drink hot coffee from the styrofoam cup, reuse a water bottle, eat the food microwave in a plastic container or freeze it in a plastic container, or even the food that is simply stored in a period. Any of these common practices of plastic chemicals allow easy migration to the body. Plastic come in many forms, but there is a consensus that although there is a useful material, there are serious concerns about its impact on human health. There are many factors that leading and affecting the plastic waste and its effect on plants, animals, and people. So the first factor is due to improper disposal system lead to many stray animals eating plastic waste or bottles and it causes their death. The second factor is the main places that more prone to this type of pollution are rural areas because people are using plastic on a large scale. Also, Pollution of marine water bodies has led to the death of many aquatic animals such as fish and others, and adversely affect aquatic plants. Finally, burning of plastic in the open air affects and leads to environmental pollution because it will release toxic chemicals. Air polluted when inhaled by humans and animals affects their health and can cause respiratory problems.